So what you have to do is you have your category, subcategory, and you have your posts here. So you go to Outline, and you click on these three dots. Now, this one, so what happens is when you create your subcategory. So I'll show you, for example, if I were to add a subcategory here, test, and then you add a post, first post. You see that it automatically adds its own post here. It adds an additional one, and the explanation I received for that was that's for like an introduction to that subcategory. So I don't like using that. So what I do is I go ahead, for example, you have an introduction here. So what you would do is you would rename this first post, which it automatically put in there. So you would call this introduction, and then you're going to use it the way they intend to have an introduction. So let's go up here. Let's go grab your code for this one. All right, which is embed your code, copy, cancel. Let's go back to the other new one that I created. And basically, we're going to do the same thing you would have done before. I'm going to go to the code embed, paste what you had in there, save it, and then you can use that as your introduction. The reason we do that is you cannot delete that one that they create, and I don't like that. It has only rename on it. The rest of them have delete. So what I would do is delete this one. And now you have introduction and insomnia explanation. Now, if you don't want an introduction, then what you would do is once you've added this first post and they put their automatic one in, you would just rename it to be the first post. Rename it. And then if it's the only one you have, you can delete the one you added. So now you're left with, you're using the automatic one that they created, and you're using it as whatever your first post is within your subcategory. Hope that's helpful. If it's not, let me know.